for a better way to share your screen while holding your audience's attention? With mmhmm, you can easily stay on screen with your content. Whether you want to share an app, tab, or full desktop, you can seamlessly switch in and out of a screen share without breaking your rhythm. Let me show you how. So once you're in mmhmm, head to the top and select that Share Screen button. From there, a dialog box will pop up that will allow you to share any part of your desktop, whether it's your entire screen or just a window. So once you select what screen you want to share, it's all about controlling that content. So anything that you change in your live window will also show up over here in mmhmm. So let me show you what this actually looks like in practice. Let's say I want to do a walkthrough of our blog with our marketing team. So I have my blog open on the left-hand side of the screen, open on the right-hand side of the screen. I'm going to come up here to Share Screen, and I'm going to click the Chrome tab that I would like to share. And voila, shows up right behind me. So I'm going to move myself over to the side. So I could present like this. Everything that I show in the blog shows up live here in my mmhmm screen. Or I could make this a full screen and shrink myself down and present from wherever on the screen feels best. So I could present like this, still the page is live and I can walk through the blog this way. And I could either do this live on Zoom, or I could come down here, click the record button and share a video with my team that way. And that's it. So you are now a screen share master. If you have any questions, you know where to find us. Bye.